You know why I'm always so cool? Because I have the perfect companion who takes care of my laundry. Wondering who? Meet my LG top load washing machine that not only ensures effective washing but also takes good care of my clothes. LG's AIDD not only detects the weight of the laundry but also senses the fabric's type with the help of AI and precision of direct drive technology. Based on the huge data of accumulated washing experiences, AIDD offers the most optimized washing pattern from 20,000 wash patterns for every load to take good care of your laundry. You know, LG washing machines use a combination of 6 motions based on hand washing to wash your clothes. Simply choose a cycle and your machine selects the best combination of washing motions to give you an outstanding wash while also caring for your clothes. And you know what? LG's TurboDrum gives you a super powerful wash by creating a strong water stream with the drum and pulsator rotating in opposite directions. It tackles even the toughest dirt with ease. Pretty amazing, right? With LG, convenience is assured. In case of any error, you can use the LG ThinQ app or make a phone call to the LG service center. A diagnosis can then be made, resulting in less time wasted and avoiding unnecessary visits. Bring home LG top load washing machine. Bring home comfort and convenience. You can thank me later for helping you make the best decision.